I'll take you way back. So high school, it used to be I'd go to high school, get done with class at 2:30, and then I'd drive over to MCC, and from there I'd go usually from anywhere from 3:30 p.m. to 9:30 at night, and then I'd wake up and go back to high school the next day. And then during college, I'd be working 40 to 50 hours a week full time, and I'd take a full course load. So it definitely kept me busy. I was placed into the Missouri Innovations campus, and through that I was paired with an internship. I interviewed with several different companies, and I ended up here at DST, and they've taken great care of me. It's helped me learn and grow in my career.
Certainly the goal of DST, we're like many of our peers in the fact that our workforce is changing. So as we look to supplement those needs, the MIC program and our traditional intern program allows us to find a talent pool of bright, capable individuals that we can bring in with a little bit of seasoning and mentorship to really come in and hit the ground running.
I'm a systems administrator. I manage the infrastructure here, specifically Unix, which is a type of operating system just like Windows. DST supports the financial industry, so I really support all the back-end infrastructure that runs through.
The skills that MIC brought for Quinn specifically is a good work ethic. He took that behavior and he brought it to work, and he worked hard. So I think MIC taught him to come full circle with how he learned to do things and ask the right questions so he could tie together real life and the program that he was in.
I think the program does a great job of really preparing the interns of encountering real-world situations and how do I interact with somebody that may be 30 years my senior, and having conversations where not only am I learning from them, but I'm having the opportunity to add value and to provide insight that they might not be aware of as well.
I'll never forget Quinn going to his first interview. They had to interview with all of the business partners, and Quinn put on his suit and tie and went to interview. And I got to tell you, I mean, he was obviously maybe a little bit shy, wasn't quite sure about this. But looking at the Quinn then and the Quinn now, I think he's got a lot more confidence.
It's a big accomplishment, definitely. Put in a lot of time and work and got done early, and it's all finally paying off. You get reduced debt, you don't have to worry about loans. It helps you get your foot into the career field. It's a wonderful program, there's no reason not to do it.